So many people come to me, like my friends or people who just want to start with entrepreneurship. They always don't know how to start or what is the like first step. Maybe you can share your experience about how did you start or what is the process of starting a startup.
I think the first process is really loving what you're going to do. You can't, this is difficult, being this an entrepreneur and you're just being, startup as well. It's extremely difficult. So I think the first step is normally just falling in love with what you're going to do and actually loving it at first, so whatever you love, try to go into that. And that's a good starting point. And then I think second is just assessing the market, looking at things that, you really need to be doing in this space. Oftentimes, I think a lot of startups go and try to be the next Facebook instead of looking at ways to actually be of, do good for the community, do good for, the world we live in, and actually provide value. And so I think if you're providing value firsthand and you can look for those places to provide value in the thing you love to do, then, I think that's a good starting point, for any business.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. You should have the passion to do it because you know better than me, entrepreneurship is very challenging, hard. And if you don't have the inner passion, you cannot, I think, survive in this ecosystem.
Exactly.